show you how to create this really glam, glittery makeup look. I think it's perfect for some really special occasion, event or a prom. So I think I'm gonna name the video Prom Makeup Tutorial, but feel free to use and to recreate this look for really different occasions. It may be a wedding, you are a guest to a wedding or to a prom or to a special event. So I think that it's super pretty, super glam, and you can totally recreate it. If I did it, you can do it as well. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna begin with the eye makeup look because I will work with some glitter, and that's why I want to begin with the eye makeup look. Afterwards we'll move on to the face makeup. First I want to apply a little bit of concealer to prep my lids. Then I will apply some Smashbox 24 Hours Hot Finish Primer. I will work mainly with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, which is super pretty. And for the glitter part, I'm gonna use this beautiful shade, it's called Cosmo. Let's begin with the eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the first 4 shades in the palette, just to create a beautiful base for the glitter. Nothing special, I'm just blending the colors to my crease, and afterwards I'll apply the glitter primer and then apply the glitter. It is super easy if you want to achieve really pretty glittery eye makeup look. It's super easy. If I can do it, you can do it. I will switch to this Morphe M433 brush and use the next shade, it's called Amber. Alright, so I think we are done with the base. Now let's cut the crease a little bit with concealer. Now, time for the front part. I'm using the NYX glitter primer. I will use my finger to apply it. Now I'm digging in the shade Cosmo. Go with the foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal 24 Hours Fresh Foundation. Concealer, the Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. Marc Jacobs one. MAC Melba. Lashes. I want to add some lashes because it's prom and you want to be really fearless, really glam, so lashes will do the job. I will apply the Ardell Wispies, Demi Wispies, which are super natural looking. Since it's prom, let's do some more highlighter, the Mariya Manizer by the Balm.